Welcome to Master GK Quiz. How well do you really know your own body? Most people actually score less than 10 on this quick test. Let's see if you've got what it takes to hit a perfect 20 out of 20. Welcome to the ultimate human body and health quiz.
Which organ pumps blood throughout the whole body? A. Lungs. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Stomach.
The correct answer is B. Heart.
Which organ is responsible for filtering blood and making urine? A. Heart. B. Intestine. C. Kidneys. Or D. Lungs.
The correct answer is C. Kidneys.
Which organ helps you breathe by taking in oxygen? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Brain. D. Kidney. The correct answer is B. Lungs. Which organ controls all thoughts, feelings, and movements? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Stomach. The correct answer is C. Brain. Which organ cleans toxins out of your bloodstream? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Heart. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is A. Liver. Which fruit is packed with potassium and prevents muscle cramps? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Grape. D. Mango. The correct answer is B. Banana. Which fruit is famous for boosting immunity with vitamin C? A. Avocado. B. Pear. C. Orange. D. Fig. The correct answer is C. Orange. Which ingredient is most harmful to teeth if eaten daily? A. Fiber. B. Refined sugar. C. Protein. D. Water. The correct answer is B. Refined sugar. Which drink hydrates your body best after a workout? A. Soda. B. Energy drink. C. Water. D. Sweet tea. The correct answer is C. Water. Which nutrient builds and repairs muscles? A. Fat. B. Protein. C. Sugar. D. Salt. The correct answer is B. Protein. What is the common term for hypertension? A. Low sugar. B. High blood pressure. C. Bone pain. D. Heartburn. The correct answer is B. High blood pressure. What condition is caused by a lack of red blood cells or iron? A. Anemia. B. Asthma. C. Allergy. D. Acne. The correct answer is A. Anemia. What is the common term for myopia? A. Farsightedness. B. Nearsightedness. C. Night blindness. D. Double vision. The correct answer is B. Nearsightedness. What do we call a quick rise in body temperature when fighting infection? A. Cough. B. Fever. C. Cramp. D. Rash. The correct answer is B. Fever. What medical term refers to a broken bone? A. Sprain. B. Fracture. C. Bruise. D. Cut.
The correct answer is B. Fracture. Which specialist doctor treats heart problems? A. Cardiologist. B. Neurologist. C. Dentist. D. Podiatrist. The correct answer is A. Cardiologist. Which doctor specializes in brain and nerve disorders? A. Dermatologist. B. Neurologist. C. Optometrist. D. Surgeon. The correct answer is B. Neurologist. Which doctor treats skin, hair, and nail conditions? A. Pediatrician. B. Dermatologist. C. Cardiologist. D. Radiologist. The correct answer is B. Dermatologist. Which doctor specializes in taking care of infants and children? A. Oncologist. B. Neurologist. C. Pediatrician. D. Dentist. The correct answer is C. Pediatrician. Which specialist helps you check and correct your vision and eyes? A. Ophthalmologist. B. Dermatologist. C. Cardiologist. D. Pathologist. The correct answer is A. Ophthalmologist. How many questions did you get right? Comment your final score down below. If you enjoyed this test, hit that like button and share this video with your friends to see if they can beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our next video. See you in the next quiz challenge.